Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you today in this lesson this sign. It is called sukunun in the Arabic language. This little sign looks like zero. This sign is not a vowel sign. It is a sign that tells you there's no vowel sign on the Arabic letter. This sign will never go underneath the Arabic letter. It is always on top. Sometimes you can write it, sometimes you don't write it if you want. Sukunun, you see the wow here, there's no vowel sign. I didn't put the sukun, the little zero. Here sukunun, I put it. So sometimes if you want, you can put it. If you don't want, you can leave it because it is understood. If there's no vowel sign, there will be sukun there. You write it, you don't write it. Remember, you will never write this underneath the letter. Cannot go down. It's always up. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for the next lessons.